How to log in to Southern University banner. So if you want to log into Southern University banner, then first open up a browser and then go for the search bar. I'm here with the Chrome browser. You can search for Southern University banner login. Once you've searched, here you will have user login under Southern University system. Click on that and it will take you to the login page under Southern University. So to log into your account, first you need to enter your user ID. So simply enter your user ID or your personal identification number. And once you enter that, you need to enter your PIN on the next blank. But if you don't remember your PIN, then you can go for forgot PIN so that you can reset or recover your PIN. So if you're the first time user, then your PIN is your 6-digit date of birth. Here you can have that example. So if your date of birth is of April 1, 1988, then your PIN will be of this 6 digits, which is month and then date and your year. So you need to enter your date of birth, which is a PIN. And once you enter your PIN, you can simply click on login. And after clicking on login, it will log you into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Southern University banner account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.